So I've sourced this list from Goldman's high growth stocks with a near-term path to profitability. They've used a variety of criteria to come up with these. You can look at the names there, but more importantly than that is, are any of them on my approved lists, going through a whole more variety of factors than even they do. And drum roll please, the stocks on the approved filtered list, none of them, I'm afraid. Sorry. If you want to be a bit more due diligence than even Goldman Sachs, and you might think, well, surely they can just move the markets to their whim and will, not so. Have a look at campaignfor1million.com, where I'm looking to teach 1 million people how to be better investors with lots of free resources as well. That list again of theirs, in case you want to go with it, Riot Blockchain, are you kidding me? Have a look. Pugmatic is an interesting company. I mean, as a company, not as an investment, but as a company and what they do on algorithmic advertising. Neo Games, what a stinker that turned out to be. One of those experimental ones I did as a high-risk trade a couple of years ago, and it's just stank.